Hey guys, hope everyone's having a good weekend, good Sunday. You're looking at the S&P 500 here, and this market wants to test a higher price here in the SPYs. S&P 500 here, we're going to test this high, and if we take this out on volume, we're looking at a projected price move of 722. Mark that down, 722. Again, we need to take it out on volume on the daily, so more than 85 million shares. Hopefully, more volume on the weekly as well. We take that out, we're heading to 722, which is a nice move. I think we pointed out before that we're on declining volume here. But the interesting point is now that we've crawled back up here on lighter volume, this week might be a volume week, meaning on Wednesday we have the Fed announcement, I believe, at 2 o'clock, and then the presser after that. That could give us some juice in the market and could give, if it's optimistic, we assume that it is until proven otherwise, that could give us the volume we need to break for higher price. QQQ, same thing. Although first target for the Qs, it's just a little weaker. It needs to come up here and retest the 635. So we're looking for a retest of the 635. Yeah, we've got light volume. We have a little bit of volume here coming in the last day or so, but needs more volume to get up there and break out. What's taking this market higher? Apple coming back and retesting the breakout on lighter volume. Yeah, kind of lighter volume. What's a weekly look like on this? We hold some Apple. Oh, that's actually not very good. I mean, we're coming back. So 292. We're coming back on 234. So lighter volume, but you hate to see this over a multi-day period. It's resting, but we wouldn't want to fall underneath that. Google is taking this market higher, right? Google continues to go higher. You can really see it here on the weekly. A lot of volume in here for the last couple of weeks. That continues to be a winner. Goldman Sachs, we're holding big breakout here. Goldman Sachs looking for a projected price target of 1125. So more than 1,100 points, which is pretty impressive. The other one that's setting up is Tesla. You know, we've been in this channel ever since September, just chopping back and forth sideways. And you can see it in the weekly clearly, but you go to the daily and you can see this massive chop. We break these highs on volume right here. Projected price target is over the 550 area. So we'd wait to take out that high for the 550 area. So there's a couple stocks we're watching, a couple stocks we're holding, but overall tone here is we're going to get news on Wednesday with the Fed. Hopefully it's bullish news with the Fed rate cut that everyone is expecting. Hopefully that triggers the market higher. We might get volume at least. That volume to the upside would mean that markets can continue their trek higher, including the fact that we're in the strongest time of year, the kind of Santa Claus rally, as it were. It's typically bullish into the end of the year. So we expect higher prices, expect the markets to close in the highs for the year. So hope that helps. Hope have a good Sunday and the rest of your weekend, and trade them well this week.